Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to set a limit order on Zerodha and other trading platforms. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your account and navigate to the trading platform. Step 2. Select the stock or instrument you want to trade. Step 3. Choose the exchange where you want to place your order. Step 4. Click on the order type drop-down menu and select limit order. Step 5. Enter the price at which you want to buy or sell the stock. Step 6. Specify the quantity of shares or lots you wish to trade. Step 7. Choose the validity of your order. You can select from options like day, IOC, GTT, or GTD. Step 8. Review your order details and click on the Place Order button. Step 9. Confirm the order by entering your trading password or using any additional security measures. Step 10. Congratulations! Your limit order has been successfully placed. Remember, a limit order allows you to set the maximum price you're willing to pay to buy or the minimum price you want to receive when selling. It gives you more control over your trades and helps you avoid unnecessary losses. That's it for setting a limit order on Zerodha or any other platform. As always, make sure you do thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching our guide. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and tutorials. Happy trading!